Hello and welcome to this quick CSML tutorial. Today we are going to see how to ask a question to the user and get his response. So we start in the start step. We have two ways to ask questions. We either can ask open questions and we just say the question. So what's your favorite color? Then to wait for the user input, we use the keyword hold. And when the user answers, the answer will be injected in an event variable. So to display this event variable, we just go say, and then you picked event, and go to run. Now if we build and run, the chatbot is asking what's your favorite color. I can answer blue. This value will be injected into the events and displayed on the screen. The second way to ask a question is to have a question with buttons, for instance, and then we go say, then question, and the question components have several parameters. The first one is the actual question, so what's your favorite pet? And the second one would be the buttons. So buttons equal, and then we can say button dog or button cat, and we can even add an emoji. And then same again, we hold, and we can say your favorite animal is event. Notice how the event is replaced by the time we get to the next hold, right? So my favorite color is blue, and my favorite pet is dog. And that's it.